So it depends on the circumstances. If both registered or unregistered couple has never owned a property around the world, then you're both entitled to the first-time buyer relief. However, if given the partners are registered partners, then you have to be careful, because if one person owns a property anywhere around the world, then you both be liable to pay additional rate under the stamp duty law. However, if the parties are unregistered partners, then it's different. If one party do own a property around the world, the other can still purchase it under their own personal name, and that person will still be entitled to the first-time buyer relief. So it usually depends on the loan sum that you are getting from the bank. However, for a general rule of thumb, it will be 25% of the purchase price. So a conveyancing chain is whereby there are multiple buyers and sellers within the whole transaction. For example, when you are buying a property, the seller is also buying a property. This is what we call a chain. A chain can actually be very stressful because the time is usually of essence. If one party fails to complete and their mortgage is lapsed, then the whole chain will collapse. So I would advise, if you are looking to purchase a property with chain, do seek professional advice in this regards. So a freehold property is a property whereby you own it outright for an unlimited period of years, while a leasehold property is one that is usually with a set period of time. In UK, it's usually 999 or even 125 years. That's pretty common. And when it comes to leasehold property, just be aware you usually have ground rent and service charge. When you purchase a leasehold property, make sure that it's not less than 80 years, because most of the lenders these days are not gonna, or maybe just reluctant to lend when it comes to any lease that is lesser than 80 years. And you might also want to consider factoring in the lease extension costs if it drops less than 80 years. So yeah, do speak to an expert when it comes to this regards buying a leasehold property.